Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back again to my channel guys. Guys, we will proceed later on to Libya. Now we're still here in Sicily, southern Italy. We stay here for 1 week because bad weather in the seas of Libya. About 7 meters the coast of Libya, the waves. This is Sicily guys, the home of the Cosa Nostra and other mafioso. This is the mafiosi country, Isla Sicilia, southern Italy. Later on, we will proceed to Libya, North Africa. That's it for now guys. Thank you for watching and supporting. Take care always. Bye. Bye bye also to Sicily, Italy.